Let's use a metaphor to think about the cerebral cortex. Your brain is like a planet, and the crust is where all the action happens. Our cerebral cortex shares similarities with the Earth's crust, such as being really thin. It also has ridges and grooves that resemble hills and mountains on Earth. This wrinkly outer layer is split into 4 major regions, like continents. Each one specializes in something unique. We can imagine each region like a country, and just like countries, they each have a main export. First, we have the frontal lobe, which contains the prefrontal cortex. It specializes in strategy and is responsible for abstract thinking and planning, as well as working memory. Next, we have the parietal lobe, which contains the primary somatosensory cortex. It processes touch sensations, spatial information, and integrates information from muscles and joints. We can imagine it as the cartographers of the brain. The temporal lobe is responsible for processing auditory information, spoken language, emotional and motivational behaviors. We can think of it as the cultural zone of the brain. The occipital lobe houses the primary visual cortex, which is responsible for visual input. We can think of the occipital lobe as eyewear specialists, helping us to see better. Even though each lobe has its specialty, they are always collaborating like a global trading network. This metaphor helped me remember the 4 lobes more easily for the midterm. Hopefully, it is as useful for you as it was for me.